Ajay, I've tracked down another propaganda center, so go, take it out, do your stuff, make it go boom. We know how you work, right? You've got the coordinates. Hey, random question. Do you use a bidet? I noticed the work that you're doing a lot of running around, definitely a lot of sweating. You're probably wearing the same pair of underwear for 12 to 36 hours at a time, given the type of work you're doing. You've got to have some bad chafing going on right now, yaar. I'm serious. I mean, the itchy asshole symptoms you must be having must be crazy. And having a clean asshole when you're defeating evil is very important. Am I doing that random thing where I trail off and lose you again? I'm sorry, dude, but really, I really do care about you, man. And I mean from top to bottom. I mean, from the food that you eat to the type of lota you use to clean your butt, because it's all really necessary. Okay, just ignore me. Good luck with the propaganda center.
The killing can stop. All you have to do is surrender.